On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to do the yearly check on the 4 Series. I have no problem whatsoever with this car. I drive the car like 6,000-7,000 kilometers a year, so really low kilometers because I have too many cars, and that's why. But we have to check everything since the last oil change. I've done like 4,000 kilometers, I think. But we have to replace the oil because 1 year has passed, and we are going to check everything for a year. I think I've checked, and I had some small oil leak on the oil pan or something, or the turbo return line, something like that. But we are going to check everything. What the hell did you eat? Oh my god, it's crazy, man. And now this. Yep, it's leaking freaking oil. I only have 100,000 kilometers, and check this out. The oil pan is leaking. The normal problem on this N55 engine, that's for sure. So I'm pretty sure I have to remove a lot of stuff in order to replace the oil pan gasket. Yep, I'm going to clean now everything. I'm going to order the gasket. It's going to be fun. Let's see why we have that check engine light. In fact, I know because I scanned the car. We have an O2 sensor. The mixture is not okay or something. I think the code was for too lean. And yeah, I found the problem. Everything looks fine and everything is original because I didn't done anything to the car. And check this out. This one is broken on the turbo. The inlet. See that? Let me put the light on. It's coming off from the turbo, so it's broken. We have a MEF sensor in here. It's going to read how much air is going to go into the engine, but because in here is broken. Ouch! Oh my god, that was bad. Ouch! I need a break now. Because in there is broken, we have different values, of course. So that's why we have an O2 sensor code. Now you can see it's completely broken from the turbo. Okay, plastic pipes are always a problem, so that's why we are going to replace with something like this. See that? Let's hope we can replace it without too much trouble, because everything is tight on this engine and you have no room whatsoever on these cars. And I bought an electro chopper. I'm not really sure if you want to see something like this on the video. If you want, drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to make a video extra for this chopper, and I'm going to show you everything. It's like bigger wheels than the 1 Series, I think. It's really nice and it's pretty damn fast. Now let's start removing some stuff in order to take out the air box and air pipe. MEF, press in here, take it out. This is a little bit tricky, but you have to press on both sides, here and here, and take it out. Release the Kraken in here, and basically you just have to pull, because everything is on plugs, on grommets, on plastic stuff. You can release like so, and we should be able to take it out if nothing is in the way. But it's always something in the way, that's for sure. Oh, this is completely broken. Oh my god. Wants to come out complete. Okay, so this one is out. See that this is completely broken. I'm glad that I've noticed before I start changing O2 sensor or lambada sensor. Of course, lambda sensor is called, not lambada, or lavender sensor. And you have to be careful of course on the breather hose. Let me show you. But I've ordered everything new, so that's why I'm not so careful. And because everything is plastic, it's brittle like hell. So take this one out. This is the breather hose. It's a pain in the butt to remove all the plastic clips from here because are going to break. That's why I've ordered a new one. And you have a plug in there and a screw. So it's going to be an adventure. Give me a few seconds to try to remove everything from here. And I'm pretty sure I have to remove the fan in order to put my hand in there. I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, it's really, really broken. I hope nothing flew on the turbo. Yep. So let's try to remove this without breaking the hose because I didn't receive it yet. It's on the way, but I didn't receive it. And the last time when I checked in here, I saw plastic stuff in there. It's still in there. Very hard to show you. Under the cables we have a plastic clip, and it's from here. See that? It's already broken without me trying to open it. Okay. Let's try to fish that out. Let's try to remove this and take this hose completely outside. It's going to be an adventure because I have to remove the plug and no way to remove the plug. I removed the breather hose from here. I pushed it under this AC line, and this way, because this one is broken, I could take this up as much as I can, and now I have access to this screw, and with a T25, something like this, I've done something like this. I cannot film in here, but see that? And after that I can take first this pipe, I can turn this around, take the plug out. You will have a connector. You have to take the plug out, and after that you can take everything out. It's out. So we have a clean cut. It's completely broken from the holder, and I've noticed this one is broken as well. Oh, it's cracked in here. That's strange. Like I've said, I didn't done any kind of work on this car, so apparently I had a broken part waiting to fail, and it failed, of course. After I took that hose out, now I think we can fish this one here in the front. See the plug? I'm pretty sure this one is going to measure how much blow off the engine will have. How we remove this? Oh, we have to press in here. Holy smokes, is really small plug. Now we can remove it. Something like in here. Okay. But this one is in good shape. We have no oil on the line, so the engine is okay. But we only have like 100,000 kilometers, 104,000, something like that. Now comes the fun part to remove. Oh, I will have for sure access on the turbo now. Of course it's going to burn my freaking hand. Oh, not good, not a good idea. We have to leave the car to chill a little bit because it's freaking hot. It's getting hot in here. Yep, it's burning like hell, so we have to release the Kraken once again. Let's release some heat. Okay, see that brand spanking new, everything in there. Let's release the pressure from here as well. Not that much pressure, in fact, at all. So I'm going to wait a little bit to chill the heck out of this engine because it's burning, and maybe I can fish my hand from underneath, because I'm pretty sure I can take it out from here, but how can I will put it back? I have the car in the air like I just don't care. And there is a big freaking problem. So we cannot access the turbo inlet from here. I can barely see something, so everything will be from top. But I took the nut out, and the biggest problem is that I cannot remove it because it comes in pieces. So brittle that plastic is right now. That's why I'm glad that I'm replacing. I'm not really sure where I put it. Here. with an alu pipe, and apparently we have to replace everything with aluminium. So let's leave the car back on the ground and let's try from top. Short update. I finally managed somehow to install this one. I've installed it. This was a pain in the you know where to install it, because there is almost no room in order to tighten that small screw, but everything is done. The shape I think is a little bit off, because this one is very tensioned in here, and I think it's wrapping on this water hose. Yeah, we'll see about that. I took the plastic piece from here out. I installed the pipe. Everything is put back together. Now let's start the car to see if we still have the check engine light. Oh, first we have to delete all the codes, and after that we are going to try once again. Let's see now if the check engine light will come back. I fixed everything. It was really tight in there, but it's done, and we are going to wash the car just a little bit, because I have this lock on my car. Oh, sounds really good now. Let's wash this from the car. Oh my god, it's like a lot. Let's give it a few minutes and wash all the foam and everything. I don't have anything with me to rinse the car, but it's going to be better anyway than this. Now this is something that I can live with. We can touch the handle, everything is clear in here. Like I said, this is just a basic wash. I've done anything but foam and clear water, and after we are done with the oil pan gasket, we are going to send the car to be cleaned professionally, because we don't have the pavement for now on the shop, and I will have always like this dirt in the car. Let's see, check or no check engine? No check engine. Perfect. Nice. Now the car is fixed without the oil leak, that's for sure, and clean. It's in the garage, and in the next episode we have to replace the oil pan gasket. I don't want to do this kind of job because I know how complicated it is and I don't like it, but we are going to do it. So in the next episode, oil pan gasket, and the car is fixed. So join me for the next episode if you want to see my journey with this car. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.